this is your home page. Now what you do, the first step is to go to pages. Once you go to pages, you go to create a page. Now this will pop out. Remember, before you start creating a page, number one, know the name of the page that you want to create. Know the name. Know the category of what you want to create. Know the description. Maybe you can just write it out and keep somewhere. Okay. Now let's say, because I'm doing Facebook, let's say Facebook ads is the name of the page I want to do. Now they're asking for, you can't use the name Facebook ads, sorry. Let's say Facebook, let's say training. So they accepted it. Don't mind Facebook. So category, I say category is education. You see it will come out education. Different categories. If you are selling, if I write sales, it still come out. Okay, you choose, but you must actually choose from this. You don't choose your own. So I said education. Let's say education consultant. Then description. What is the page all about? So to train people on different skills. Okay. Now go down to train people on different skills. You create a page. Let's refresh. You can see it here. Now you open it and start editing. Now look at the page I created. So the next thing you need to do is to put a phone number, because you need to, that's why I was telling you, you need to connect it to a WhatsApp. But this time around, it's not the normal WhatsApp. As we go on in this training, I'll teach you how to open a WhatsApp business. For now, let's leave this. Now this is the page that we just opened. The next thing you need to do, put a picture. Go to upload photos. Just look for a picture. You should remember what I said, that you should already have a picture that you have in mind that you want to use. Now let me use this picture. Okay. Now you can drag it to however you want. Now you can put this one too. You go to the camera side, click on it, say edit it, you edit, you upload a picture. Okay. Please, once you get stranded, you don't understand any particular stage, drop a question. Drop a question on it. Now let's choose this. I'm just choosing random pictures because this is a sample class. It says save. You should have the 2 pictures that you want people to see on your page before you start creating a Facebook page. I know that some of you will start, you see it has changed. Now you create your own username. You'll be asking username. Yes, username. So that you can say follow, you've seen some people saying follow me on Facebook at, like me, I'll say at Mobek. Okay, now I can write training, training, so it will be Mobek training, training, same username, training. Okay, but there is something about this username, because I just created this Facebook page now. I can't do this username, but after like a day I can be able to do the username. So I'm just showing you how you can be able to create your username. Now after creating your username, you see how everywhere looks like. They will tell you one step left, because you're almost done. Now what you need to do is to start inviting